Hey everybody. Okay, so now our laundry is cleaned up, so I wanted to repack my backpack and show you all the different clothes that we used on the trail. So basically three outfits. So I used my shirts, all are like a bathing suit material, so they're quick dry. So a shirt, I'm gonna be frank with you guys. Instead of taking bike shorts that are heavier, I use these. These are like almost like a girdly thing that you would wear under a dress. They're super light, super easy to wash, and super silky. So that's what I used. And I had like a little one of those skirts. So that was outfit number one. I did do bike shorts and shorts on top. So that's outfit number two. Outfit number three was for the rainy, colder day. So long sleeve, like a Columbia shirt, the silky undies, and really lightweight, stretchy pants. So those are my three outfits that I took. Initially, I had them packed in individual bags, but eventually they all ended up in one big Ziploc bag. And the reason you do that is for those rainy days, just to keep everything separate. Socks, I took too many socks. I ended up only wearing three. The ones with the finger, the toes, fabulous. Really helped with blisters. The Smart Wool socks. I just do the ankle size ones. I know Terry really liked the longer ones, and he injured his ankle, so that helped. The other one that was a really big help, compression socks, the long ones. Cold days are great, but they also really give your legs a boost of energy at the end of an evening. So, and even on a good hike, great to wear these. So three pairs of socks, that's all we did, and you wash them every night. Two bras, you wear one and you wash one for the next day. This is a trick that I love. So I took those, those cheap cat or glasses things, and I just spun it around my bra strap, and that went into my bra, and this is my wallet. Everything that I cannot lose, I slept with that on. So literally you shower when you get to an albergue, you get dressed in fresh clothes, and you go to bed wearing them. So in the morning you literally just get up and go. So that purse in the bra trick was awesome. So two bras. This was a really, really good find, and when I didn't know whether it was going to be a good idea or not, instead of doing a microfiber towel, I brought this dress. It's really light cotton, it's reversible, it has two dresses in one, it has pockets. So this ended up being something I would use as a towel, and I would wear it out of the shower, which was so important for privacy and comfort. And I got so many comments on it. I felt beautiful, even though I was literally wearing my towel for the rest of the evening often. So it folds up really, really quite small, and it's super light, and it dries fast. So I was really pleased how well that did. You always take toilet paper in the doggy bags. Toilet paper here is brutal. So, and when it's hot, you need to feel comfortable all over. Sleeping bag, the only one that we really found that was small enough was from Mech. So it's called the Camino, I think. Now shoes. Oh, by the end of the journey, my plantar fasciitis was brutal. So what I finally kind of thought and realized, if I buy these small little cheap heel things and I put them inside of my sock, they were able to stay in place in my sandals, and they gave me the cushioning I needed. So that was a really good idea. Shoes. These are my hikers. Because this is a really hot trail, sandals are the way to go. If you're doing a northern, colder, or rockier place, you would go with hikers. So you want to have shower sandals and something comfortable to get into after your hike. So this is what I had, and they worked really well. Packet with a few emergency snacks, apples, really good, and a poncho. We did use our poncho. It was heavy and awkward to carry, but it was worth it when you need it. It's definitely worth it. So invest in a good one. The other thing to bring is a collapsible, tiny little, these are IKEA backpacks. They're essential for when you need to get groceries or carry things around. So that was hugely helpful. Your headgear. This is fundamental, a buff. So I would wear a buff at night just to cover up the eyes. If the lights are going on, cover up the ears, just keep sound dampened. If it's cold, you can wear it. Anyway, 1,000 uses, but it's also great for a Kleenex or whatever you need. So a buff is a really good thing, and I normally just kept it strapped right onto the outside of my pack so I could easily grab it. Sunny days, I have that. Terry had a more full hat that he needed, and I bought poles here. You don't need to bring them from Canada because they're super cheap here. Like I think I paid €25 for both of them, but buy extra tips because my first tips only lasted like 3 days. So I had to struggle with just those metal tips until I could find some more. So those are my best tips. Oh, and I've made so much effort into coming up with cheat sheets with all kinds of, information. I printed out the chorus to a few hymns that I could sing when I first started hiking. That was nice, but really you don't have time to do it. It's good to do the research, but you don't need it. Anyway, buen camino.